He's seen the skill of the Prince and the strength and the ability and the accuracy and the speed. Oh gosh, you know I'm the best in the world.
And that right hand working so well, and this is a very confident Hamed.
Look at this, I think he's trying to do all this for the Sheffield fans. He's playing to the audience, trying to taunt poor Padillo, who's taking all this.
Wala nang masasarap pa na mapanood ang napakaangas at napakayabang na boksingero na binubugbog habang napapahiya sa ibabaw ng lona. Ganyan ang pakiramdam ng mga boxing fans na magkaharap ang pinakamaangas at disrespectful na boxer kontra sa pinakapikunin at mainitin ng ulo na boksingero. Bago pa man pumutok ang pangalan ni Manny Pacquiao sa featherweight division, ay nauna na muna itong pinagarian ng dalawang legendary Mexican boxer na sina Marco Antonio Barrera at Eric Morales na parehong naging kampyon sa nasabing dibisyon at ang itinuturing noon na superstar ng featherweight division na si Prince Naseem Hamed na mas kinaiinisan ng mas marami dahil sa estilo nito sa boxing. Kilala si Prince Naseem Hamed sa kanyang kakaibang antics o pang-aasar sa kalaban na sinisira muna ang kumpiyansa bago nito tuluyang wasakin ng mga ito. Kung tagahanga ka ni Hamed ay katutuwa mo ang estilo na ginagawa nito, subalit kung hater ka naman ay tsak na isusumpa at ipagdadasal mo pa na mabugbog at mapahiya ito sa kanyang laban. Sa kabila naman ng pagiging maangas sa loob at labas ng lona ay talaga namang nakakabilib ang record ng British superstar na 5 taon nang naghahari sa featherweight division na may record na 35 wins, 31 dito ay knockout at wala pang iniisa ang nakakaluta sa misteryong estilo nito bago nito makaharap ang una at huling boksingero na sumira at namahiya sa kanya sa ibabaw ng lona. Bago makaharap si Barrera noong 2001, ay naging kampiyon si Hamed noong 1995 at nagkaroon ng 16 na sunod-sunod na panalo habang nakuha naman ito ang WBO IBF featherweight title. Kaya naman masasabing walang pag-asa ang Mexicano sa kanya na 3-1 underdog sa laban. Dahil naman sa sobrang pagkabilib sa kanyang sarili ay hindi sineryoso ni Hamed ang kanyang training dahil inaasahan na nito na isa na namang pandagdag sa papahirapan nito si Barrera. Subalit pagdating sa laban ay tila kahihiyan ang inabot ng tinaguriang prinsipe ng boxing dahil hindi umubra sa Mexicano ang kakaibang estilo nito. Ating balikan kung papaano nilampaso at ginawang clown ni Barrera ang boksingero na sinasabi noon na hindi pa ipinapanganak ang makakatalo sa kanya. Unang round pa lamang ay ginulat na agad ni Barrera si Hamed na hindi makapaniwala na ilang beses itong nakatikim ng malulutong na suntok at ilang beses ding naalog sa laban.
A slugging match with the Prince.
Is not looking in.
Big left hand by Barrera.
It's a very interesting choice of fight plans by Barrera, and he's making it work very effectively in round one. He's a couple of shots to the body. Naz hasn't done any real damage.
And that left hit that Barrera landed was a hurting.
Round one is all Barrera as Prince Naseem takes several power shots from the Mexican star.
Sa round 2 ay nagkainitan na agad ang dalawa dahil sa hindi mapigilan na inis ni Barrera sa estilo nitong si Hamed.
May not be able to give advice. You got to work on his eye.
Excellent right hand body shot by Barrera.
When they're in close, has his head, keeps his hands very
Out there.
Shades of the Cesar Soto bout in Detroit as Barrera is either pulled down by Hamed or pushes him down. Mark Ratner comes up onto the ring apron.
What happened there was Hamed lunged at him into the clinch.
Coming into the ring. Hard left hand by Prince Naseem, countering Barrera inside.
The Prince is the aggressor.
Right hand and a left by Barrera, rocking Naz back.
Tila hindi naman iniinda ni Hamed ang mga binabatong suntok ni Barrera habang tinatawanan lang ang mga suntok na sinasalo nito sa round 3.
That Barrera is fighting the way he is.
I think he's more effective as a counterpuncher rather than taking the lead.
Wow, what are you waiting on?
Hamed smiling at Barrera.
When the Prince get two lefts and then a right, he hasn't found his rhythm yet.
Barrera lands a jab. Prince Nassim grins. Barrera lands enormous reflexes, and he's getting hit here, perhaps more frequently than he expected. Sing blow. The blood is flowing from both nostrils of Barrera.
So far, Barrera has
Round 4 nang muli na namang maalog si Hamed na hindi maintindihan kung papaano siya tinatamaan ng mga solid ni Barrera.
Big left hand by Barrera inside. Stuns Prince Nassim.
I have it 2 rounds to 1 for Barrera.
The Prince is going to get hit a lot because he falls asleep. He hasn't got in one position yet. Ooh.
Barrera ringing the right hand.
Every round, Barrera should send him to the corner hurt with a good body shot.
In right.
Round 5 naman ay tila nawawala ang angas ni Hamed na nahihirapan pa ding makapagpatama ng kanyang kaliwa na pinakadelikado niyang suntok.
Just only 4 for Prince Nassim, and a couple of them were good hard shots.
Connect with a left jab.
As with a quick combination there. See the difficulty of trying to get to Prince Nassim's body, although Barrera, big left hand by Prince Nassim.
You know, he was right in the pocket that time with that left cross.
Round 6 naman ang subukan ni Hamed na magpapalit-palit ng stance sa southpaw at orthodox upang magawa nitong makapagpatama ng malilinis. Bago naman matapos ang round ay nagkabigayan pa ang dalawa ng chip shot.
Not only so, he made him to you rather than saying, there you are.
But there it is.
Your head is too straight up.
The head was up. Barrera landed a right.
Round 7 ang muli na namang makatikim ng solid si Hamed na sa unang pagkakataon ay kitang-kita na nahihirapan sa kanyang kalaban.
What Barrera is doing, he's pacing himself. Barrera, what we're doing, clowning with a clown.
Big right hand to the body again by Barrera. Barrera on move.
with some royal blood.
Couple of left jabs onto the royal chin.
Maganda na sana ang mga patama ni Hamed sa round 8 na nagagawa ng maikonekta ang left straight, subalit bigla na namang nawala ang momentum sa kanya nang bigla na naman itong makounter ni Barrera na nagpaalog na naman sa kanya.
Now for the first time you see the Prince getting
blocked. One landed solidly.
about Prince when he doesn't have anything else, he's got power.
Stalking and trying to land that left cross.
Habang tumatagal ang laban ay tila lumiliit na ang tsansa na manalo ni Hamed na patuloy ang tinatamong kahihiyaan sa laban.
You see the Prince just will not. Comes back. He can play.
Barrera. Fat chance.
Left hook. Big left hook by Barrera.
Pagsapit ng round 10 ay nagmukhang bagitong boksingero si Hamed na nagmukhang punching bag sa buong round.
But he hasn't thrown anything with it. He's missed it.
He can't. Barrera is countering him too well to get it done here. There's a big left hand. Barrera covering up.
Barrera's playing possum.
There's a hard right hand by Nassim. And Barrera comes back with two left hand shots of it. Can you believe the odds on this fight were 3.5 to 1? Can you believe 28 out of 30 writers picked Hamed? Where is the respect for Marco Antonio Barrera? The combinations have been thrown by Barrera.
Sa round 11 naman ay pinatahimik ni Barrera ang mga manonood na kababayan ni Hamed na tila hindi makapaniwala na ginagawa lang target practice ng Mexicano ang kanilang pinagmamalaking prinsipe.
I have told him as such. But see, I don't think he's ever been hurt in a fight, but when he gets hit, his head is up so to the point that it looks so bad, so the fans has got to try to land a big knockout punch.
And in round up to turn it against him.
Nance will not come back with any shot.
Huge right hand by, and the English crowd is seated and quiet.
The improvisational style that the Prince has developed since he was a boy is being exposed.
Sa round 12 naman ay binawasan ng punto si Barrera na muli na namang nahulog sa mga antics ni Hamed.
Got a close strong.
Hold it.
Figure out how can he get in one big left hand.
Barrera has already shown with his chin, one left hand won't do it.
That's true. Too much chin.
Barrera pounds Nassim into the ring post, risking disqualification. Furious at Naz's antics. And a point.
Bagamat nakatikim ng matindi ay nagawa namang matapos ni Hamed ang laban, subalit bigo pa din ito na manalo at natikman ng kauna-unahan nitong talo sa kanyang boxing career. Ito din ang pinakamalaking kahihiyan na nangyari sa karir ni Hamed na kilalang pinaglalaroan lang ang mga kalaban, subalit sa pagkakataong ito ay siya naman ang pinaglaruan ng tadhana. Pagkatapos naman na malasap ang una nitong talo, ay muli na namang nakabalik si Hamed ng talunin nito si Manuel Calvo at nakuha ang bakanteng IBO featherweight title. Nagretiro naman si Hamed na may record na 36 wins with 31 knockout at may nag-iisang talo sa kanyang boxing career.